So we're about to do step number 8 here. After you run your React in my app in step number 7, the next step is pretty straightforward with it. So we open up the Visual Code in here with it. So just open up your Visual Code. Here's my Visual Code with it. So I just do File. Give me a second here. I got a bunch of other stuff I'm running in the background here. Let me close out some of these files here. Hold on a second. So let me take that back over here. My Visual Code just crashed on me. Hold on a second. So I have my folder right here open in Visual Code. You could do File, Open Folder, or click Open Folder here. It'll do the same thing. Navigate to your my-app on your desktop for me, and we're going to open it from there with it. So here's my desktop, and here's my app right here, my-app. Select it. Let's give it a second here. And click on Trust. So this is it. I mean, for this particular step, I like for you to see that you have this open right now. This is the get started, of course, with it, right? So I'm just out with, but we're going to get into what each one of these folders mean, the source, and we're going to talk about all these things, what they actually means, and the module. All the bin files that you have, and all this. Take a screenshot of this right here, and you need to paste this inside of this part here in step number 8 at the bottom right here. All right, so it's actually opening up your Visual Code to launch, and you're going to paste that in here as well. So watch this video for me with it. So you're going to paste that screenshot of that right here with it, okay? And then one more step. Hold on a second, all right? So I'm going to stop the video right here.